Today we are going to make Angamaly manga curry. Let's get started.
You will need shallots and half onion. You need more shallots, red chili, turmeric powder, coriander powder, curry leaf, ginger, sliced ginger, sliced green chili, and salt. Mango. We marinate our mango with turmeric powder, vinegar, and curry leaves. Marinate it for about 30 minutes. And you also need thick and thin coconut milk. In a clay pot, add your shallots and onion. The green chili, ginger, and curry leaf, and your coriander powder, turmeric powder, and your chili powder, red chili powder. Add some coconut oil. Mix it very well. Mix it at least for a few minutes. Now add mango. Add the thin coconut milk. We added water in the coconut milk. Mix together. Put it on stove top and put your flame at low. Oh look, it started bubbling on this side. Add a little bit more of vinegar. Our mangoes are half cooked. Now we're going to add our thick coconut. Mix it well. Wait for a few minutes. It has been a few minutes now. Now I'm going to garnish the curry. Now we're going to garnish. In a different pan, add some coconut oil. Add some shallots. Curry leaves. Dried chili. It has started turning gold. Now I'm going to add the cashmere chili powder. Now garnish on top. Now your curry is done. Serve it. It's best to serve it with hot rice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.